If you're planning to start a business and buy a sticker or decal machine and adventure on this business, then you better watch this video because we're going to show you why the graphtec can turn a $20 piece of vinyl and turn it into hundreds of dollars. Because like we always say, if you want to make money, you must invest money. Because last year, this lawn care company brought us 3 trucks and we made really good money. But this year on 2026, they brought us a new truck and we're going to show you everything about this business, from equipment, installation, and even pricing, which is one of the biggest questions we get. So make sure you stick around with us, and of course we appreciate if you give us a like or a hype and also subscribe. This is the project. Here's the vinyl. Finally, the first project of the year. Yep. 2026.
Really excited, can't wait.
And I also have other stuff here for another project. So people always ask how we get the right measurements. We usually bring one of these rulers, measure the door, then take a picture and send it to the software. That's how we get an accurate size for the decal.
So this is the picture that I took of the vehicle, and I measure it, remember, from here. So in the software, I'm gonna bring this picture and just do like a line, make sure it measures for the whatever measurement we got, and that's the best way to get the right measurement. This is the picture that I took, and the measurement 48.5 is this one here, the red line. Let me show you, 48.2. It wasn't 48.5, but close to that. And I'm gonna get rid of that. And this is the measurement for the logo, like the whole logo. It's gonna measure 32.76 by 22.
All right, so we'll just added all the dimensions on the calculator. And by the way, if you didn't know, we have a free calculator that turns inches into square footage, which is important for to use the decal calculator, which you can use with your RDI Gold membership or Premium membership. And now we're gonna get the estimate for the customer. And this is the footage that we're gonna use for this project. All right, Saul is about to align the vinyl. We explained this many times, why this step is important. And that is because we're gonna do some big decals. And this is why we love the graphtec. And also you can see the huge roll. So what is it, 50 yard?
It is 50 yard, and advantages of using this cutter is that you don't need to use a cutting mat. It will be impossible to do or use a cutting mat for this type of project.
It looks aligned. Perfect. We're ready to go.
My concern was that the blade would cut through the paper, but it didn't. So it looks like we have the settings correct.
All right, let's start wigging out. Try to show you how to do it by myself without any help. And the reason why we add weeding boxes. If you're liking this video, we'd really appreciate if you give us a hype. It doesn't cost you anything. This will definitely help us to create more amazing content for you. Thank you so much. So we're gonna use the 3M adhesive remover. Because I'll notice there's some like glue or something adhesive there. We're gonna make sure to do a good job. Plus that might affect the new decal, so we gotta make sure we clean it right. Plus this is a really good customer. This is like what, the 5th, 6th truck
At least, yeah.
All right, now Saul is gonna clean the surface with rapid tag
And a clean towel.
after he added that adhesive thing. So yeah, we're gonna make sure it's nice and clean. And here's the decals. So now we're gonna do the installation. So let's get to work. All right, now we're gonna apply the second layer and we're gonna use the rapid tag. All the links below. All right, now Saul is gonna remove the transfer. It's been a couple of minutes. Should come up nice. Oh, never mind.
Spoke too soon.
Yeah, it's like 70 degrees right now, but we use a lot of rapid tag, so maybe we just need to wait for it to dry more. It's okay, we're in no rush. The customer left the car here. He'll pick it up later. All right, so now that we're finished with the project, let's talk about pricing. And don't forget that we have a free calculator for you, as we mentioned, to turn the square inch into square footage, which is really important to use our decal calculator. So now let's log in into our membership. And if you have a premium membership with us or gold membership, you can use this decal calculator. So now let's enter that password, and after we enter the password, then we can log in, and then we can go ahead and use our decal calculator. Now, as I mentioned, for this project we use approximately 16.25 square footage. So now the first question, your price per square foot. Now this is the price that you guys come up with after you add your transfer, your decal, your vinyl from the roll, and then you add all of those expenses, duct tape, rapid tag, whatever. I suggest that you do that. Our calculation, after we added those, an average per square foot, we calculate around $2.25. So we're gonna do 225. Now the square footage, as I said, we use 16.25 square footage for this project. Our labor fee, as we consider ourselves a professional level, I mentioned this before, so if you're just starting on this business, you can start with $60 an hour, or because it's gonna take you longer because you are starting on this business. But if you are now a professional, you're gonna be faster, but you have to pay yourself more. So this is kind of balance the price. So we are professional level, plus it is three of us, so we pay ourselves 120 per hour. We can do this project in less than 2 hours, but we calculated around two and a half hours because we had to cut the vinyl and all of that. We do not include the filming because we were filming for this episode. Of course, we are considerate with our customers, but we still have to do other stuff. So we calculated around 2.5 hours. That's the estimate that we sent the customer, even though it was a little less than that. But we're gonna do a 2.5, so 2.5. And the complexity fee on this project was it wasn't that hard. It was just flat surface. We didn't have to use a heat gun. There was no rivets. There was no dirty surface that take more time. So no complexity fee. So that's, we're gonna do 5%. Just enter 5. No setup fee because this is a returning customer. No additional fees. Like I said, the truck was clean. There was no need for us to clean it. And we're gonna calculate. We're gonna start with this. We actually charged this customer $380. That was the estimate that we gave him. He accepted, and he really did with us this job. But this calculator is an estimator. That's why we call it that. It gives you an estimate of how much, a roundup number of how much you can charge based on all the things that you enter here. So again, if you miss something, I suggest you go back to this pricing, how I use this calculator. So anyways, this is it for this video, guys. Again, if you want to use this calculator, you can use it by joining the gold membership or premium membership. If you have any questions about it, let us know in the comments. Thank you, guys. We will see you on the next episode.